Hello. Today, let's remove the emergency key out of your remote control key of your Audi A4 S4 Avant, for example. If you have trouble with the central locking system, you have a fail function or something else, it is possible to enter into the car by using the emergency key. Or you will need to disconnect the air back on the passenger side or something else. You will need the emergency key for that. We have the emergency key here in front of us because there is the remote control key. We have on both sides, we have buttons, okay? These two buttons, we are going to press the release catches and we pull the emergency key out of the remote control key at the same time. It's so easy. Let's perform this now. Push both together and then pull out the emergency key out of its housing. There it was. Easy peasy, babe. Okay, try again. You see here in slow motion, baby, it works. And there you have it, the key. These are the two locking stuff parts of it. In the mechanism behind that, you can remove now the key. You can use the key to activate, deactivate the front airbag, for example. Lock, unlock the glove boxes, lock, unlock the lockable rear seat, lock and unlock the vehicle manually, and so on. To get it back in position only, push it back, press it into it, and just that. So you have to remove the emergency key, and of course, you will get it back in place. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me, give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. So.